So I have a new cat water fountain to share today. This one is made from a glass bowl, and we have a stainless steel top. It also has a filtration system. There is a little light in there. Might be a little hard to see it right now, but I'll show it to you in another spot with the kitties. Oh, kitty. And there's a button right here that turns that light on and off. So you can choose to have the light on or off. And then it's just powered by a USB cord on a brick. So like I mentioned, the bowl is made of a glass, and it's a pretty decent thick glass. It is pretty durable. You still want to be careful because it is glass. As for the filter itself, as for the fountain, we'll go ahead and unplug it, and I'll pop this top off. It makes it really easy to clean it. So you can wash the glass. It's gonna be a lot more sanitary compared to like a plastic bowl. You have a filter here that looks like it needs to be washed out. And then we also have a filter right here, which I'll probably get ready to clean that here pretty soon, or even replace it. Then all you gotta do is just put that on there. The pipe here, or whatever you wanna call it, the fountain part, you just gotta slide that into the hole. This part you just got to slide into the hole, and it's pretty much put together. It's super easy to do. And the cats do enjoy playing with it. They like to play with the little water flow, and they just like to drink out of it. But if you're looking for a decent little water bowl for either your cats or your small dogs, it's really nice. Made of glass, so it's easier to be sanitary, easier to clean. Stainless steel top, and it just works pretty well. Plus it has filters to keep the water a little bit cleaner. And my kitties definitely like to play in it and drink from it.